In this video lecture, we will look at the behavioral sciences and their connection to public health.
Public health is trying to get people to make healthy choices. So to be effective at that, we need to understand what motivates people to act. And this is where health behavior theories are very useful, and they come from the social and behavioral sciences. So public health, in effect, is a social and behavioral science. In terms of the health behavior theories, how do these theories help us? Health behavior theories help to explain what motivates people to act. So health behavior theories look at different factors that influence whatever it is we're studying. So, for example, why is it that some people exercise regularly and others don't? What are the major factors? It looks at the relationship between these factors. So, is there some knowledge or belief or social norm related to exercise that might prevent me from exercising? And then also, the health behavior theories will look at the conditions under which relationships do or do not occur. So this is the how, when, and why, which leads people to exercise. So if I had a mother who exercised regularly, I have a knowledge and a belief that exercise is appropriate for females as a female. And even though the social norm might be that exercise is not for females, these other factors will override that, and that may lead me to exercise. For those of you who are interested in pursuing careers in public health, it will be very important that you study and understand them well, because we use these theories to guide the development of health promotion interventions. Health promotion interventions aren't just thought up in a vacuum. We want to maximize the probability that people will engage in the behaviors we're trying to promote. And so these theories help guide us in the development of the promotions and the interventions. They also inform decisions on the timing and sequencing of our interventions in order to achieve a maximum effect. As we study the health behavior change theories, we will need to consider the relationship of factors. Our textbook categorizes factors as downstream factors, mainstream factors, and upstream factors. So downstream factors are those that directly involve an individual and can potentially be altered by individual interventions. So an example of a downstream factor would be an addiction to nicotine. That is something that you can work with an individual to help them wean off of nicotine, and that would be the intervention. It's on the individual level. Mainstream factors are those that result from a relationship of an individual with a larger group or population, and an example would be peer pressure to smoke or the level of taxation on cigarettes. The final factor in this categorization are the upstream factors, and these are often grounded in social structures and policies such as government-sponsored programs that encourage tobacco production or subsidies for corn production. These require us to look beyond traditional health care and public health interventions to a broader social and economic force that impacts health. Behavior theories are generally categorized as either intrapersonal, interpersonal, or population and community. We will be looking at three intrapersonal theories: the health belief theory, the trans-theoretical model, often called stages of change, and the theory of planned behavior. Interpersonal theories are many, but we will focus on the social cognitive theory. And finally, the population and community level theory, we will look at the diffusion of innovation theory.